Beauty is in the eye of the beholder, in this case, your client. Make your reports stand out, even if you're not a designer. Easily customize each with both an image and background color. Here's how. Select Reports in the navigation bar, then open the report you'd like to edit. Hover over the desired section in the table of contents and click the ellipses. Select Edit. Have a background image in mind? Choose from your library or upload a new one and click Insert. You now have the choice to select how you want the image to fit. Try the different options to see what it looks like. Pro tip: most report pages are 1400 by 1812 pixels if you're looking for the perfect fit. You also have the option to modify the background color. Click the color drop-down and select from the color picker, or enter in the hex code, perfect for getting your brand color spot on. Love the way it's looking? Click Apply Background To and select the pages where you want to copy this look. And that's it. A quick and easy way to make your reports stand out. Get your free trial from AgencyAnalytics today and create reports that look as good as your metrics.